Hey, it's Rob at EMPI. We're on another dealer visit today. Jim's Auto Repair, Long Beach, California. Let's see what's going on. Hey, I'm Rob. You must be Art?
Yes, sir.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, looks like there's a lot going on here, Art. Tell us what you do here at Jim's.
Here at Jim's, we specialize in VW and Audi. It's been open since 1968 by Jim. And it's been family owned and operated since, I believe, 83. And by Jose, my dad.
Your dad, right?
Yeah.
So it's a father-son operation?
Father-son, and actually our Audi tech on site is my older brother, Jose Jr.
Oh, geez. Okay.
So yeah, so very family-oriented business.
That's great. All right, so as we rolled up, we saw a lot of different kinds of Volkswagen Audi group vehicles. I saw an R8 tucked over here. I see a sweet 912. Can you take us out and show us what's going on in the yard?
Of course, yes.
Let's go.
No problem.
Oh, I love this 912, Art. This looks cool.
Yeah, this one is, right now we're just doing maintenance. We recently just did the EMPI carburetor conversion.
Oh, great.
And runs a lot better.
All right, so you work on Porsches. Then I see this sweet convertible over here. Can you tell us what's going on with this one?
Same story, just maintenance. Half the times we are doing diagnostics for smog check.
So show me some other, what are your favorite projects? I see a thing over here. You've got a fastback. Love these Audis. What in the world's this R8 doing over here? Carburetor swap?
I think so, yes.
What, 4 or 6 carburetors on that probably?
Yeah, I think about, about 4.
Okay. These cars in the background here, are these cars you're going to get to in the future, or what's going on with the kind of the back lot here?
Those are cars we are trying to get to.
Okay.
Since we do a lot of maintenance and services, it's really difficult to get to those.
Sure.
But
those are longer term projects.
Those are longer term. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say.
Gotcha. All right, Art. So you got a lot of cars here. You got to have a favorite. Tell me, what is it?
Probably my 2003 summer edition Beetle. This one I loaded it with quite a couple EMPI details on here.
Okay.
We got the EMPI gassers.
Got the gasser wheels, yeah.
The GTV steering wheel.
All right.
EMPI HPMXs.
Yep.
The powder coated alternator on there.
Nice.
She drives great. Let me show you really cool projects that we're working on.
Yeah. Oh, 2-wheelers. Okay.
Yes,
you do 2-wheelers as well.
Yeah.
Got
it. Just kidding. Here we have a Lamborghini Yato.
Oh my.
And
look at that.
This will be a fun little project. We'll probably be doing 4 new carburetors. So
okay.
Some nice new EMPI carbs on that.
I like it. That sounds awesome. So again, this is a customer just says, hey, I've got a car, I need some attention, I trust you. You get to it when you get to it.
Yes.
Wow. That's impressive. I think you heard it here. Come and see Art. Come see Jim's Auto Repair, Long Beach, California. If you've got a project that's stuck or your car just needs some basic maintenance, you're looking for a good shop, trustworthy, family operated. We got 2 sons and a dad running the place. What more could you want?
Let me show you a special little project of mine.
Yeah.
My other little street car.
Okay.
That I also like to take on the strip every once in a while. You know, just for giggles.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see it.
All right.
All right. Wow.
This one's all complete EMPI long block on this one.
Great.
And she's a go-getter.
Well, and what a sleeper. Who's expecting that, right? I mean, I guess that pipe coming out the side might be a little bit of an indicator.
Just a little bit.
What do you think this is putting out?
I'd say an easy maybe 250 at like 10 pounds of boost.
All right.
Yeah.
So that's pretty streetable then?
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice, Art. I like it.
Thank you.
Hey, Art, I didn't know you guys did movie cars. Wasn't this in Ghostbusters 7?
I believe it was, actually, yes.
Ooh. All right, so, hey, everybody's Volkswagen is their own. This one clearly is a Ghostbuster fastback. That's awesome. Art, we really enjoyed visiting with you today. Can you please tell our audience how they can get a hold of Jim's Auto Repair?
Our phone number is 562-428-4968, or you can follow us on Instagram at Jim's Auto LB.
Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Art, it's been a pleasure.
Thank you.